In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using your mobile phone for free using Weebly.com. So let's dive right in and get started with this easy and straightforward process. First things first, we need to start by opening the Google Play Store on your mobile device. This step is crucial because this is where you'll download the Weebly app, which will be essential in the creation of your website. Once you're in the Play Store, you'll want to locate the search bar. It's usually at the top of the screen, so navigate there and ensure you're ready to type in the next instructions. In the search bar, type Weebly and tap the search button. This will bring up a list of apps, and you will need to select the Weebly app. It usually features a blue and white logo, so it should be easy to spot. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on the install button to download it to your phone. The installation process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, but once it's complete, you're ready for the next step. Next, open the Weebly app and you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Here, you'll want to tap on Get Started, which is prominently displayed on the screen. Weebly will then prompt you to create an account. This is simple. Just type in your first name, last name, email address, and create a password. Be sure to choose a secure password that you'll remember and enter your location as required. After filling in your details, you'll need to agree to Weebly's terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through these agreements to know your rights and obligations. Once that's done, check the agreement box and click on Continue. Congratulations, you've just set up your Weebly account. Now you'll arrive at what Weebly refers to as your home, the dashboard of your new website. Here you'll see options to start editing your site. To begin customizing your site, click on Edit. This will open a new page with various tools and features to personalize your website. In the upper right corner, there's a paint icon. Clicking on this will allow you access to theme customization options. Here, you're free to edit fonts, colors, animations, and buttons to match your vision for the site. Choose the fonts that best reflect your website's theme and feel. It's your space, so have fun with it. Remember, you can edit text, replace pictures, and adjust just about anything on the site. This customization is key to making your website uniquely yours. Once you've completed these steps and you're satisfied with how everything looks, be sure to preview your site and publish it for the world to see. There you have it. Creating a website using your mobile phone on Weebly.com is that simple. Happy web designing!